Hello everyone, welcome to my another YouTube video. In today's video we are going to take a look into LED mirror light and LED daylight for Audi A4 2001 model. One of my side mirror LEDs is not working and I would like to replace a daylight LED with a halogen bulb. So I did order this one. This one arrived in a post and decided to make a video for that one, and I will also making a video how did I replace that one. So let's open up the box and take a look onto the product. I bought this one from AliExpress. So price for this one is £15. So there's a two blinker in that one. This is a side mirror blinker LED lights. I will leave a link in description if anyone interested to buy it. So this one is both side left and right. So in my car right side mirror light is not working, so I'm going to replace both of them. So this one is a plug and play LED. You have to just take your old one and put the plug and play in there and they will work. And this one also says in the back, this one is a left one and this one is a right one. So let me show you the other LEDs and then I will take you outside and show you the car's light which is not working, and I'm going to replace the LED light in there as well. Video will be getting a little bit longer because it will take a step-by-step guide how did I replace everything, both bulb, but I will make a separate video. So for the mirror lights separately and the daylight, this one also from the AliExpress. So these bulb packing are different as they mention on the listing. I will leave a link in description for that one as well if anyone interested. So these bulb are a little bit larger than the halogen bulb, but they will fit perfectly hopefully in there. And so this is a DRL bulb. In Audi models, the daylight running light is have this kind of fitting, which is a DRL bulb. So this is a bit larger bulb than halogen one. Halogen bulb is a little bit smaller. So this one is using the latest LED technology in there, and this one is an aluminium frame, and the circuit board also aluminium just to control the heat dissipation, because LEDs generate a lot of heat in there. So there's three I can see there's a 6 LEDs in there, and there's 8 LED on each side. So this one will generate 3600 lumens light in there. So Audi A4, I have a 2011 model quarter version. They use 4 bulb, 2 on each side for the DRL. And let me show you how did I replace. It's a bit tricky. We have to take the whole light out. There's no space behind the lights because one DRL bulb goes behind the light and one of them goes from underneath. So because 2 on each side, so we have to take the lights out. So let's go outside and replace our light bulb in our car. Thank you. So this is the whole toolkit I have to buy for myself to replace the LED light in a car headlight, because the car headlight have to be taken out. So to unscrew that one, we need a toolkit. This is a professional toolkit being using by the mechanics. So I have to buy the whole thing because I cannot buy the selected item from there. So I buy this from eBay. Price for this one is £80 roughly. So I can be used replacing bulb and also doing other stuff as well. So it's quite handy to have a toolkit anyway. So let's go outside and show you how did I replacing the car lights. So I'm in Camperdown Park. I bring my car here to change the daylight DRL bulb in Audi A4. Let me show you. So as you can see, I have upgraded the LED lights in there on the headlight low beam and the high beam already, and I did change the daylight as well. This is a halogen bulb, so I'm changing on the both sides, 2 in each side. So 2 on this side and 2 on that side in there. So I got the LED bulb here as I showed you earlier on. So these one we are going to replace. To change the lights, they are one access from the underneath and one in the back. So what we have to do is we have to take this cover out. We have to unscrew this one, and then one of that screw, one underneath in there, and then there's one screw over there and one screw right behind that one, as you can see. So we have to open these two. So before, when I open and change the LED light, the screw wasn't in a good condition. We have to replace with the newer screw in there. So this one actually star head screws in there now, and on this side is the same, one star head screw and one was the broken in there, so we haven't put that in there, and the light is secure in there. So let me open up on the one side and show you how did I change DRL bulb in there, and same procedure for the both side. So we're going to change the one of them first. So I'm starting with the driver side one. First of all, we have to unscrew these screws, top one. So taking this cover out, place it there, and then we have to screw one screw here, one there. So just unplug the cable and take the whole headlight out. There's a V rubber inside there. This one, be careful with that one. Just slide out just like that. Just like that, the whole headlight will come out. So one bulb is there and one underneath in there. You have to, before when I open up, you have to cut it over here just like that with the knife in there, and then you can take this bulb out. And I bought this one is from eBay for $6.99, two of them. So I'll put that back in there just to secure them from a water or bad weather condition. And the underneath one in there, just one in there as well. So what I do is, I couldn't find out the rubbers for this one because this one cannot be fixed, there is no much space in there. So I put the same plastic piece in there, and I put the duct tape in there. I have another duct tape, I'll put that again, new one in here. So I'm going to put a weak cloth underneath, just the lights is not getting scratched down there. So let's take this bulb out. Just take, there's a V clip in there to take this one out, just like that, and then you just turn around the bulb and you will take, this one is the original Audi A4 bulb, came with the car. This one is actually Philips one, so that says on the side. They are a good quality one, work for the long time. So I'm gonna replace one of the side first, and then we're gonna test it out if it's working fine, because these are the non-purity one, you can plug in any way. These bulbs are a little bit bigger than that one, so hopefully it would be easy to fix the bottom one, because you look the size of the other bulb. So underneath one is a less space in there, but we'll try to fix it. So put the bag in there, and then just like that, and turn around just like that, and this one is easy. So put the cable back in there. So this one is done. Put the rubber properly back in there, so we might not have to take that out. So take this duct tape out, and you can see I have cut this one and put it back with the tape. There's another bulb in there. So this one is a bit tricky. This is already loose in there anyway, so must be last time did not put it properly in there. So let's take that out. Unplug this one first, and then easy to take it out. So this one is out as well. Put that back, and then we are going to put the bigger one in there. This one is actually a bigger bulb, so I'm not sure how we're gonna put it back in that V space in there. So let's put the bulb in there first. It's a bit very tricky. I'm not a professional mechanic in there. I'm just changing the bulb myself for my own car. So what I have done is I just put 2 fingers in there and just press like that and it's work. So now we have to put the plug back there in just like that, and it's fixed in there. So not now I'm gonna put the new duct tape in there, because this is not, actually we don't need to put another one, just one work fine. Now I'm going to slide the light back in there, and then we'll test it out if the lights is working perfectly fine. And then as you can see, both of the light is working fine. So guys, both of the daylight bulbs are changed, two on the one side and two on the other side. So this is just a camera, shutter speed is different. I'm recording with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, so that's why you see the blinking light in there, but they are working perfectly fine. So we go all two of the headlight bulb LED and fog light LED, and this one procedure are the same, as you have to open up this light and take it out, and you can access in the back, because there's no much space to change the bulb. You have to take the both light out to change both side bulb in there. So next video, you can see this blinker light is working perfectly fine, but the other one is LED, most of them is burn out. We have to change that one. So I did order and the light in there, but that is a wrong size in there, so did not fit properly. I have to put the old one back in there, and I have to order again and replace that one, and then I will come back in here and I'll show you how did I change that one. On the back side, this is very easy one as well. This is a LED one. Tail light and the signal light, they are LED, and the rest of two is the normal halogen one. Both side tail light and the indicator light is LED. They are quite bright on the night time, as you can see. And I also changed the bulb inside. These one, all two in there, two in there. They are quite bright at night, and the two in the back. So guys, if you like my unboxing and changing the car bulb video, please leave a like. So this is a Audi A4 B8 2011 model. I changed both side DRL daylight bulb. There's a two in each headlight, so two for the left and two for the right. I will leave a link in description if anyone interested to buy it. They are quite good quality bulb, and they are quite bright with the newer LEDs, so they will not give you any error in your car dashboard. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next unboxing video. I'm not a mechanic, but I can do things in there myself, which I have learned from other people. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in next video.